Hi everyone, thank you for being here. This is Deb with Deb House Crafty Cottage, and I am here. It's been a hot minute since I've done one of these pages, but this is an open collab I'm here for, and it's called Coloring Party with Friends 2025. It's been going on for at least another year, like 2024 is when I first found it anyway. And it is hosted by Disney and Coloring with Jamie, Jamie, and the co-host is Crafting with Pat and More, and I will have them linked down below, and the hashtag will be in the title. So if you want to check everyone out, you can. And they've been using this book, and then I think I heard Pat say, or maybe Jamie, that it would go through about May or into May. And then we're going to be using another book called Bold and Easy. It looks almost the same, except it'll have strawberries on the front. And Jamie did say that this coming, no, I don't know if he said this coming Monday or if he said when this book is done, he'll link the other one. I'm not sure. But go check out their channel. So they're going in order in this book, which I appreciate. That way I can make sure I'm doing the right pages. And I really had wanted to do this one when I saw what they were up to, and I didn't get to it. In fact, I want to write the date. That was March 31st, I think. 25. I might still do that at some point. I don't know. So I did the one for this week though, and I used a combination of gel pens, metallics, and gel pen glitter. Colored pencil, just one, a Crayola Timberwolf color, and a couple Stampin' Up! Alcohol markers, well, one of them, this light starry sky, I used lots of it, and dark lemon lolly. And starry sky is retired, but lemon lolly is a current color. And here's my page. So I didn't, I had a telescope when I was young. It might have been my brother's and I inherited it or something. And it was probably a teen one, not a top of the line one, but not a toy. And it was white, but I wanted it to have some metallic on it. So I did use silver, gray, and black metallics on some of the parts. And then I thought about making this white, but this is actually where I colored in with the Timberwolf. It's a very pale grayish tan, but it actually almost looks white there. You can see it a little bit there. And that's what I used here and here too, because I knew I wanted to do a dark background because I don't know, I used to look out at the telescope at night usually. The stars I did in the lemon lolly, but then after I did the background, I went over them with gold glitter pen. This is red metallic because it looked like a tag thingy that you would, hold it with maybe once you got it all squished up. I don't know. I'm not exactly sure. And then these were washi tape. I had two different washies I had in my stash, and I thought, oh, well, they'll look cool on there. Plus, the blue kind of, in some places, not everywhere, because it's alcohol marker, it kind of bled out. So I just put the ones that looked okay going in a column on the sides, and then the moon and stars with the clouds on the top and bottom. So that is my page for April 7th, Monday, April 7th. I hope you're off to a good start with your week. I'm busy, so this is pre-recorded because I'm going to be away after I record this for a few days, several days, and then I have appointments the day this goes up, and the day after that I have something going on with a friend if it's not pouring down rain. So anyway, yeah, I managed to get this week's done this time before I left. And so I apologize for not participating more. I don't know that I'll be able to participate every week, but I'll play along when I can. All right, guys, take care. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.